Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. We're getting in baby Oliver's room and we're going to completely redo it. If you're new here, my name is Lauren. I'm married to my husband Will. We live in Arkansas and we have a little boy named Oliver. He's 2, going on 3 years old this year, and it was time for a little update to his nursery. We needed to move him out of his crib and into a twin bed. He's growing so fast, and I also just wanted to make everything in his room a little more age appropriate. So we're going to go ahead and take down this wallpaper. Not to mention this wallpaper kept falling down, so we were looking for an excuse to kind of get rid of it. So we're going to take that down first. We're going to paint his wall, and we are going to completely revamp this space. It turned out so cute. Wait till the end. And we are also sharing some really exciting news at the end of today's video, so stay tuned for that. But thanks again for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. But let's get started. So we ended up going with an outdoorsman theme because I figured that's something that can kind of grow with him, and he loves to play outside. So we went with green for the bottom half of his wall, and this is the color Inverness by Sherwin-Williams. We just picked it up at Lowe's, and this first coat kind of scared me. Was not a huge fan of this color, but once we got the second coat on, it is so pretty. It's a really dark green, and it matches his new bed perfectly. We ended up loving how it turned out. And for the top of the wall, we're not going to do wallpaper this time. We were not a fan of that. So we're just going to do a second coat of white paint to kind of cover those streaks that were there from the wallpaper. And then we're going to hang something really cute. Over the last 4 or 5 years, I've done lots of paint projects around the house, both for furniture and on walls, and I can honestly say I'm not a huge fan of it. I feel like it's really time consuming, but with this project, I actually had so much fun because it was a quick process. We just painted the bottom of the wall, and it was like a huge transformation. Oliver loved it, and of course he had to help too, and I ended up absolutely loving the way that this color turned out. It's a little bit darker in person than it does appear on camera, but I love the color, and now we are moving in his new bed. My brother actually made this bed, my brother Tyler. If you've seen my sister-in-law's YouTube channel, Kirsty Pickens, she has a cooking channel. Her husband made this, and I love how it turned out. It's exactly what we wanted. It's a little silhouette of a house with a chimney, and it's just so stinking cute. Wait till we get it all put together. It's even cuter. And then for the curtains, we're going to hang up some gray and white gingham curtains. I like to try to keep our whole house with the same color tones, I guess. Everything's kind of gray and white and cream with a little bit of metallic mixed in. And so we're going to keep that theme going in his room, but I also wanted to keep it nice and manly. Another thing I love about these curtains is they're not blackout. I'm not a huge fan of blackout curtains, but they're not totally light filtering either. They just let in the perfect amount of light for nap time, and I just love those curtains so much. I'm going to have everything that we used in today's video linked down below. Most of it is just from Amazon. But now we're moving on to the floor. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum up his carpet, and we're going to lay down a new rug. I do need to come in here with a steam cleaner and get these carpets nice and clean, so we'll probably do that in a video very soon, maybe in my spring cleaning series. But let's go ahead and lay out his new rug. It's just a round rug from Amazon, and once again, I wanted to kind of carry out the theme of gray, cream, and white. And this was just a really nice base for what you're going to see his bed is in just a second. His sheets also just came from Amazon, and I love these. I love that the stripes are vertical instead of horizontal. I think that's so unique, and they're just gray and white. I'm going to flip over that top sheet upside down so that when we make his bed, we can pull down the sheet and you'll see the stripes with everything else going on. And his little comforter actually came from Society 6, and this is kind of what I based the whole room around because I fell in love. He loves fishing and he loves fish. He would love to have a fish tank in his room, but I have yet to convince my husband that that's a good idea. So y'all help me down in the comments below to convince Will that he needs a little fish tank in here. But I'm going to go ahead and make up his bed with the striped sheets and the fish comforter. And here in a second, Oliver and I are going to run to Bass Pro Shop to get a finishing touch for his bed. Today's video is actually a really fun collab with my friend Marie. Y'all probably know her. We've collabed on here before multiple times. She's redoing her boys' room today too, so make sure to head over to her channel after this and check her out.
Hey y'all, my name is Marie. I'm a stay-at-home YouTube mama of 4 kids from Georgia, and I create motherhood, homemaking, and cleaning motivation over on my channel. I'm always sharing realistic and relatable content, so I hope that you guys will head over as soon as you finish Lauren's video today. I love Lauren's channel, and her and I have been friends for a while, and I believe that you guys will enjoy my channel if you enjoy hers. I'm also doing a room makeover on my channel today. I'm changing my 2-year-old to a big boy room. If y'all enjoy mom life cleaning motivation, I would love to have you come over and say hi in the comments.
What's that?
The fish store.
What's that from me?
Which one did you decide on? Can you say catfish? So we got the perfect finishing touch for his bed, which was that little catfish pillow. We love Bass Pro Shop in this family. We shop there like once or twice every single week. Oliver loves it, Will loves it, and I can honestly say I love it too. But now headed to the wall above the wainscoting, we're going to put a big picture of a bass here. And I was showing y'all the little crack in the frame because I ordered this on WAYFAIR, and it seems like every time I order something from WAYFAIR, it comes broken. Y'all know that table we just ordered for our kitchen came broken, and every single other time I've ever ordered from WAYFAIR, my stuff comes broken. So don't recommend. They do have some cute stuff though, so I'm going to either try to glue that or just return it and get a different one. But I love the way that it looks above his bed with a little frame light. I actually just stole that frame light out of our living room to see if I thought it looked cute. But now that I know it looks cute, I'm going to get him a little unique frame light for above his fish. And this is his little nightstand over here. We got that from Costway. Now, I do love Costway. Costway has so many cute things, and all of their stuff is very high quality, super easy to put together. So that's our little nightstand there, and I'm just using this little lamp that I thrifted. I think those are called pineapple lamps, but I feel like it added the perfect touch of not glam necessarily, but like a nice little metallic in here to kind of spice things up. And then over here in the corner, we're going to build this cute little chair that I also got from Costway. Today, there are lots of things from Costway. Thank you so much to Costway for sending these items over. I'm going to have all of this linked down below in case you're interested. Their stuff is very high quality and very affordable. So all of this will be linked below. This chair just caught my eye and I was like, Oliver has to have that. And I also picked up a cute little fish pillow for the chair, and I ordered this on Amazon, and the size of it was laughable. I actually ordered that for his bed and it came in tiny. That little fish was $15 on Amazon, and I was shocked. But anyways, it made the perfect little pillow for this cute little chair, and I actually already had this little fiddle leaf plant, so we stuck that behind his chair there, and now we're just going to fix up these little bookshelves. I love this pretty little mirror, but it was not going with the rest of the wood in the room. So I decided to snag the mirror from my office and just swap those two out and put that one in my office. So we're going to take that big mirror that you've seen in lots of my videos. At one point it was above our piano, it's been above my desk, and now it's going above Oliver's dresser because it just matched a lot better in here. So we're going to go ahead and hang that up, and we're going to decorate his dresser. I love the detail on that mirror. I picked that mirror up from At Home probably a couple years back, and we've used it several different places throughout the house. But now for the dresser, I'm just going to use some toys that I found around his room, and then also just a picture frame of him as a baby. And I actually picked up a picture at Walmart of him fishing, and I meant to stick it in there and I forgot. So we'll have to do that in the next video. But I also just grabbed an amber glass vase out of the garage. Usually I use that during the fall time, but it matched perfect with all of the rest of his decor. And here for the drawer pulls, I picked these up off of Amazon, but then I went to put them on and I thought they looked a little bit too nautical. Most of his room was freshwater fish, and I didn't want to confuse like ocean fish with freshwater fish. So we just decided to keep his drawer pulls white, and I think it looks a little bit classier that way anyways. And then over here by his dresser, I just put this little white toy box. We got this from Costway. I'm going to link it below. This is my favorite thing ever because it doubles as like a really pretty piece of furniture, but it's also a really nice size piece of storage for toys. And once again with this is also from Costway, a really nice piece of storage that doubles as a really cute piece of furniture. And I've been telling Will nonstop, I'm just so excited about all of the storage we have for Oliver's toys now, because before his toys were just everywhere. Most of his toys are in his closet. But these storage solutions from Costway are amazing. They double as a really pretty piece of furniture, but they also just hold so much stuff. Love that. Now, I will say the little white one over by his dresser, I think I'm going to eventually move that one into his closet because we got another piece from Costway. It's like a metal rack, a black metal rack, and you can put baskets in it and organize like little Hot Wheels and all the different little categories of toys. Picked this little sign, Long Live Boyhood, up from Amazon, and I thought that was the perfect little touch as you head into Oliver's room. And these balloons have been stuck on his ceiling fan since his birthday back in November, so it was time to get those pulled down. And that is going to be it for Oliver's room. We're going to vacuum up in here. If you're interested in seeing his nursery makeover from before, I'll link that video down below. But now baby Oliver has something very exciting to share with all of y'all. What are you? Big brother Oliver. Yay! Are you excited? Do you want it to be a girl or a boy?
A girl or a boy.
Girl or a boy? Oliver is going to be a big brother. We are so excited. We actually found out 2 days after Christmas, and it has been the hardest secret to keep. I've been so excited. I've also been incredibly sick, which is why I've not been able to get 2 videos out every week. But it's so exciting to be able to finally tell y'all and share everything with y'all now. We have not found out gender yet. We have heard the heartbeat, and it was very high, so I'm hoping for a girl. But of course, it would be so cute for Oliver to have a brother too. So I'll keep y'all updated on everything. But thank you so much for all of the congratulations and love yous over on Instagram. We actually announced it on Instagram yesterday, but we are very excited. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and we will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Do you already know how to jimmy your door?
Sit right here.
Okay.
Come on. No, sit right here. I come in. Come in. I come in. I come in. I come in.